Let's be real, creating recipe videos looks fun until you're in the kitchen burning chicken, wasting ingredients, and wondering why your camera makes food look like it survived a zombie apocalypse. Meanwhile, millions of people are searching for high-protein meal ideas every single day. So today, I'm going to show you how to skip the filming, skip the kitchen disasters, and instead plug into a massive trending niche with ready-made content you can sell, post, and use to grow an audience fast. Hey, it's Kamal here from testedapps.com. I've been doing affiliate marketing and SEO for over 6 years now, and in that time I've learned one important rule. Trends make money, but timing prints money faster. And right now, the global high-protein food trend is exploding. People want quick, healthy, protein-packed meals, and they want them now. But most creators can't keep up with the insane daily content demand. That's where today's product comes in. Before we continue, quick heads up. I've put together exclusive bonuses to help you turn this into a money-making machine. You'll find the link in the description. Only the first buyers get access, so check it before it's gone. What is Protein Meals Recipe Videos? The product is called Protein Meals Recipe Videos, and it's a brand new, never-before-launched package of done-for-you content. You get 150 high-quality HD protein recipe videos, 30 beautifully written recipe ebooks, and unrestricted PLR rights. That means you can resell them, rebrand them, upload them, use them for clients, sell them on marketplaces, or build a digital content business around them. This is perfect for content creators, fitness influencers, nutrition coaches, PLR sellers, YouTubers, TikTok creators, agencies, or anyone who wants a shortcut into the booming health and protein niche without spending months creating content. How it works. Step 1. Download. Step 2. Rebrand or leave as is if you like. Step 3. Publish, sell, or repurpose the content wherever you want. No filming, no editing, no expensive equipment, no crying into your protein shake because your recipe didn't turn out like the YouTube version. Benefits breakdown. Here's what makes this powerful. Instead of spending hours shooting, editing, writing, and formatting recipe content, everything is already done. Instead of paying hundreds to freelancers or food videographers, the cost is tiny. Instead of struggling to post consistently, now you have over 6 months to a full year of publish-ready content. And instead of competing with huge creators, you instantly enter the niche-looking professional from day one. You can use these videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, YouTube channels, Pinterest idea pins, blogs, ebooks, funnels, memberships, and client content packages. People are already paying for recipe bundles, so this opens multiple streams of income. Now let's talk value. If you hired someone to shoot 150 HD recipe videos, you would easily spend $5,000 to $20,000. The recipe ebooks alone could cost another $1,000. But Protein Meals Recipe Videos is currently available for only $13.95 one time. No subscriptions, no recurring fees.
Hey, smart marketers and entrepreneurs. Let me ask you something. Are you tired of spending hours filming, editing, and posting health and wellness content that barely gets attention? Still paying freelancers hundreds of dollars just to produce a few recipe clips? What if you could skip all of that, no cameras, no editing, no stress, and still launch your own professional, high-protein culinary content business today? Because something big is about to drop. For the first time ever, we're launching a never-before-seen, done-for-you content system built for one of the hottest, fastest-growing trends online, the global high-protein and healthy living movement. This isn't recycled or outdated PLR. This is fresh, professionally crafted, mouth-watering content, filmed, written, and packaged for creators who want to profit from what the world is already craving. If you've ever wanted to tap into a booming niche with zero production work, this is your moment. Introducing Protein Meals Recipe Videos with Unrestricted PLR, your complete, done-for-you library of ready-to-sell, culinary masterpiece videos and beautifully written recipe ebooks, all created for today's booming health and wellness audience. You'll get 150 professionally filmed HD recipe videos, featuring irresistible, high-protein meals that look and taste amazing on camera. From vibrant breakfast bowls to hearty dinner plates, every clip is designed to grab attention and keep your viewers engaged on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. And that's not all, you'll also receive 30 fully editable, premium recipe ebooks, each one visually stunning and loaded with chef-quality inspiration across 3 mouth-watering niches. 10 beef, lamb and red meat recipe ebooks. 10 vegan protein and plant-based meal ebooks. 10 eggs and breakfast proteins ebooks. Every single piece of content is done for you, fully customizable, fully brandable, and comes with unrestricted private label rights. You can rebrand, resell, license, or repurpose everything and keep 100% of the profits. No filming, no editing, no production costs. Just a complete digital business ready to launch instantly. This is your shortcut to tapping into the multi-billion-dollar health and wellness market and building your brand with professional, visually irresistible culinary content your audience already craves. And to make it even better, we're including a bonus pack of 600 plus healthy cooking shorts and reels, crafted to drive viral engagement and skyrocket your reach. The demand is real. The trend is unstoppable. And the timing, perfect. This isn't just another unrestricted PLR deal, it's a culinary content revolution for marketers who want results without the grind. Click below to unlock protein meals recipe videos with unrestricted PLR and step into a world of healthy diet, done-for-you content that builds authority, engagement, and profit. Your audience is hungry for it, and now, you have everything you need to feed the demand.
After you grab the front end, there are a few optional upgrades. Upgrade 1 is the Elite Pack for $47. This adds extra content and resources if you want to scale, resell at higher prices, or build a bigger brand. Upgrade 2 is the Brainy Kids Mega Adventure Pack for $14.95. Totally different niche, but great if you want another evergreen PLR product to sell. Upgrade 3 is the Brainy Kids Pro Pack for $29.95. This expands the previous upgrade with more content and flexibility. And finally, there is a done-for-you product creation service for those who want everything custom-built without doing anything themselves. I've tested a lot of PLR products over the years, and most are low-quality, outdated, or instantly forgettable. This one stands out because the videos are actually high quality, and the niche is growing fast. If you want something you can use immediately and make profit from without months of effort, this is a no-brainer. What? It's not a magic button. You still need to upload and publish the content or set up your store. It's also not for people who hate the health niche or never plan to use or sell this content. But if you've been looking for an easy entry into a real evergreen niche, this is the moment. The protein trend is not slowing down. And with a brand new product that's never been released before, you're walking into a hungry audience with ready-made premium content. So hit the link below, grab access, and lock in the launch price before it increases. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more reviews like this. This is Kamal from testedapps.com/signing off. Stay profitable, stay consistent, and avoid burning chicken.